Hey friends, if start menu and search keeps popping up in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the file explorer. And how will you do that? Search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select restart. The next solution is to restart the Windows search service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows search service. Right click on it and then select restart. The last solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.